Chewbacca 100 rapping. Let's go. Airplane. Let's pretend. Shooting stars. Wishes come true. Pretend. Make a wish right now. Okay. Let's pretend like it's 98. Like we still eating off the styrofoam trays. You're in this town, you know I would burn it down. I'm so fly, I don't even touch the ground. Ayy, my flow so slick like magic. Tragic, put it in my trash can. I wish I had a wish right now to get my education down. You know what I need to feel right now. Ayy, always spitting rhymes, committing crimes. Yeah, I drive you pretty crazy. All my haters love me because I'm so amazing. You know this beat is all I ever need. Man, I love it. And no, I would never leave my airplane. I would trace my steps and get in my reps. Ayy, I'm feeling the beat like a bunch of buzzing bumblebees. Ayy, survive the storm, survive the erosion. Who's to blame? Obama or your baby mama? Forget pretends like once be real. I write lyrics for people to feel. Constantly moving forward in the world that stands still. And that's everything from Airplane Part 1, baby. Let's be real and give me 5 likes for this my airplane once again. Let's pretend. Let's pretend. Wish. One wish. Likes. Let's pretend. Shooting stars. Let's make a wish and let my wish come true, man. Let's go. Thank you. Peace.